Welcome to the Vulcanara Audible blog. CoreXY 3D Printer Advantages. CoreXY 3D printers are a popular choice among hobbyists and professionals alike. These printers are known for their high precision, speed, and ease of use. The CoreXY design is based on a parallel kinematic system, which allows for faster and more accurate movement of the printhead. One of the main advantages of CoreXY printers is their speed. The parallel kinematic design allows for faster movement of the printhead, which results in faster printing times. CoreXY printers are also known for their high precision, making them well suited for printing detailed models and objects with fine details. Many CoreXY printers come with user-friendly software, which makes it easy for users to design and print their models. Additionally, CoreXY printers are often compatible with a wide range of filaments, including ABS, PLA, and TPU, which means that users can experiment with different materials and find the best one for their needs. In terms of drawbacks, CoreXY printers can be more expensive than other types of 3D printers. Additionally, the parallel kinematic design can make the printers more difficult to build and maintain, which may be a challenge for some users. CoreXY 3D printers are a great option for anyone looking for a high-precision, fast, and easy-to-use 3D printer. They are well suited for printing detailed models and objects with fine details and can be used with a wide range of filaments. While they may be more expensive than other types of 3D printers, the benefits of a CoreXY printer may be well worth the cost for many users. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon.